As a college student, time is something I never have enough of. But tonight, tonight's special.
So you whisper, can you tell what I wanna hear? So you used to living fast, but you're so down for me. For just one night, let's make it count. We got plenty of time.
Ahmad, what do you think about this?
I hate it, actually.
Okay, what about this one?
Trash. Giving to the homeless?
No, I'm going on a date.
Oh, just wear anything. Guys don't really care about that.
Can you help me?
I guess. I got you.
Listen close and hear my body. Keep your door locked, locking on me. Whoever got your time, now that time is mine. And I have drawn the line, you're borderline, one of a kind. Listen close and
What am I gonna wear?
Relax, bro. Chill. So what kind of guy is he?
He's charming, handsome, smart, unlike some people. He's an art major.
Artsy, okay.
Yes.
Roll on something geeky.
Ew. No.
Art guys like geeks, I think.
No, they don't. Okay. He likes neutral colors.
Right, yeah. Throw on some earth tones. Facts. Throw on like a brown. Something brown.
I don't have much brown.
You got something right there. That little brown and white thing.
I don't really like that dress though.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, change and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral.
Tonight, I'm unstoppable. I thought it was going to rain today.
Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that.
Alright, let's make this simple and sweet.
No, not my phone, please. I need to text him back.
You're worried about a date? You need to get your phone fixed.
You, yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? But you know that you always do it right, right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gonna do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it,
You good?
No,
How was the date?
he didn't show up.
Damn. I feel like you better than that boy anyway. Like, don't worry about that. I got some of your favorite too. Some sushi left over.
Okay, this I could work with.
You know, if that don't work, Baddies has to. Baddies shot o'clock. Baddies shot o'clock.
Sometimes the best nights aren't the ones you plan. They're the ones that remind you who's really in your corner.
When I look you in your